know how we do it. Love up, boy.
If I were president, I would have improved on road projects and building more schools and the hospitals.
I think the most thing that I hate about Zambia right now is the issue of corruption. Yeah, I travel a lot and I've seen a lot of corruption. If that can be worked on, it would even these other things would fall in place, you know, things would be okay. Yeah. You want to do something, this one wants you to give them something, even something that should just be straightforward. So I would first of all be on that to make sure that corruption at least is reduced, because getting rid of it is not just an easy thing. Of course I can work towards that, but I would make sure that it's reduced or it's not there. There are a lot of things that I would do, things to do with people especially. If you look at rural places, most of them are not good yet, and no one wants to go and invest in those areas. So I would also concentrate on rural areas in terms of development than just Lusaka or urban areas.
If I were the president, I would introduce free education. I would try and work on improving rural areas, empowering the youth. I would try my level best to build educational institutions like colleges and universities in all provinces so that all people can have access to education. I can also improve road networks so that every place is accessible, and yeah.
Well, I would first improve my hometown, make it look like a town, build markets, build clinics around Choma, improve the Choma town, and first of all the southern province itself.
If I to be a president, I would love to make all my people happy, equal, both rich and poor.
If I was a president, if I'm to be elected as a president here, according to the way I see Zambia, Zambia is very rich in natural resources. Yeah, so the most important thing that I can make sure that I focus is the education facilities and health. Yeah, Zambia, the way it is, Zambia needs to have at least not less than 10 universities. I can first focus on education facilities, then I go to health facilities, which can be much better. Zambia has only one university teaching hospital, which is not good. You see, the resources that we have here in Zambia are not used the way they're supposed to be used. You know, we need to have not less than 10 universities, and we need to have not less than 10 university teaching hospitals, like the way we have UTH here. We only have one UTH in Zambia. And again, I can try to make sure that there is free education. You see, people has to be educated. The place, you know, education is the most important thing that I can value most if I'm elected as a president. Then I can make sure that I make changes, especially to the economy of Zambia. Zambia is very rich in natural resources. We have copper, you know. Zambia is actually the most country which has which supplies natural resources like copper. So copper is not used in the way it's supposed to be used, and copper is supposed to be refined within here in Zambia, not to be taken outside the country, you know, where we don't even see the other benefits. So that's why you see that the economy becomes low, and you see all those stuff. So they're the things which can be done if I'm elected as the president.
If I were a president, I would like to make an impact or any change in as far as where unemployment is concerned. As you know that in Zambia nowadays we are facing a very high of unemployment. So if I was given an opportunity to be a president of this country, I was going to make sure that I work on this problem so that it comes to an end.
Okay, if I were to be a president, I can want everyone to see the goodness of being a president. For example, a president is supposed to see to it that everyone has the freedom to schooling and freedom to do whatever she wants in life.
What's up, one? You know how we do it. Love up, boy.